let's take a look at how to inspect a workbook for issues. And there's specific issues we'll take a look at. I got a checklist over here on the side of things that ChatGPT recommends we might put into it. So hidden sheets. So I got the sheet here called hidden sheet. I'll right click on it and say hide. Now, just in general, unhide it. You just right click on any tab here and you'll see an unhide. And then that's how you can unhide it. But if you don't remember to do that, again, checking for issues maybe before you send it to somebody, maybe somebody outside your company, is something you'd want to do. Let's also put in our header and properties, or header and footers, I mean. Okay, so come here, and actually, I won't go to view. It's easier. And page layout, and company A. Maybe I got information that I don't want to share. There. Okay, and let me go up here and go to info and come down to show all properties, and I'll have tags in here. Secret info. Okay, so let me save this. Now if I do a file and I go to info, you'll see that there's a check for issues. Document properties, printer path, absolute path, headers, hidden worksheets. So different things you could check for. But I'm going to choose inspect document. And you see you got all these, you can unselect them, but I got all these items selected that it'll go through and check for. And issues it's looking for. So click inspect. Comments, no items are found. Document properties was found. So document properties, absolute path to workbook. I'll click remove all. Headers and footers, I found headers, so I'll do remove all. And I found one hidden worksheet, so I'll click remove all. Now if I click reinspect, it comes up clean. I click close. Notice our tags is gone. Our header's gone. And if I right click on sales data, see if it re-hit it or where did it go to, there is no unhide here. So that cleaned it up. Again, why you would do this, it would be more of your maybe sending this to somebody and you wanted to kind of clean up that information. Kind of a security issue. But that's how you would go through and inspect your workbook for issues.